Hello techies, everyone good morning. So it's a rainy day here. So today I would like to introduce my channel and as well as myself. My channel is Tech with Tony. I already published two videos on a Spring Boot. So we slowly started up providing the videos on Spring Boot with AWS Cloud Services. So it's just an initiation that we'll talk about all the JTU technologies in this channel. So not only just a Spring Boot, AWS, it's also covered up with like how we can use the real time, how the Git repositories are using, how the AWS are useful for the JTU technology guy, and how the Azure technologies can be used. And also like we'll talk about on a new futures of Java, how we can utilize in real time. So there are a lot more futures, right? So how we can utilize that. So first of all, myself Tony, I have 11 years of experience. I'm working as a senior architect in one of the giant company. So please like, subscribe my channel if you really like, and if you really need some doubts clarified, and put your comments in the comment section, and share these videos to your friends who are eagerly waiting to learn the JT technologies, who are eagerly learn more enthusiastic towards the new technologies. Okay, it's just not like videos we'll put on publish the videos like a tutorials and all. It's like very real time, and as well as like we'll stress out some interview point of questions. So during my videos you always hear from me like this is going to be a good interview question. So you can easily when you follow my videos, and you can easily crack the interviews for IBM and Accenture and also like many more giant companies very easily. So do watch and like and subscribe, and if you really like, please ask your friends also to subscribe. So it's just like a inspiration for us, like to give us a more videos on the JT technologies. So out of my passion I started this channel. It's not like just it's tutorial. Don't feel like that, and just follow the channel. You'll be very comfortable in your very own zone, and then we'll talk about more about the JT technologies. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye.